Hi guys, today I'm working on this Jeep Wrangler and I'll be installing a new steering stabilizer. So let's get started. So the steering stabilizer, commonly referred to as a shimmy shock, is connected between the tie rod and the frame and helps dampen some of the steering vibrations and road feedback. For a little more room to reach it on this JK, we need to remove this plastic cover behind the front bumper by popping out the push clips. Now we can see the stabilizer bolted to the frame and clamped to the tie rod. I started by loosening the bolt on the frame side, but with the suspension unloaded, the bolt hits the tie rod and is unable to slide out completely. I moved down to the other end of the shock and removed the nut from the bushing, but the shock was still too snug to come off. So I loosened the nut on the clamp and tapped it over a little to relieve some of the tension on the shock, which allowed it to slip off the clamp. Now I'm able to rotate the tie rod enough for the frame bolt to clear and remove the old shock. The new shock goes in the same way. First bolting to the frame, then extending it to the clamp and snugging it up. Next I slide the clamp to the original location and tighten the nut to lock it in place. Then finally I tighten the bushing bolts. And we're just about done. We can now put the plastic cover back on. Then one final check to be sure we have the clamp aligned properly so the shock gets full travel without binding up. And everything looks good. This video is brought to you by Parts Matrix. PartsMatrix.com is my go-to source for aftermarket parts and accessories. Don't forget to use coupon code NHBH to save on your order. That was a pretty quick and easy install, which should help smooth out the steering in this Jeep. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.